Hello, this is David Cherry. More code. If you're interested in learning about functions that spiders, bots, and search engines will use. Okay, this is the second step of helping you acquire the functions. The intent of this is not necessarily a tutorial to teach you how the function works, but just to give you the function so you can copy it by pausing and stopping the video. Okay, so anyway, let's go ahead and go to the actual code in the function right here. So this is the actual code in the function. Okay, and you want to pay attention to the text and be sure you copy these opening and closing tags, because this function actually works. Okay, it's a working function. All right, so anyway, the primary part of the function, you read this right here. Okay, and then right here you have the actual function name here. Function extract keywords from file. Okay, and so anyway, I'm going to go down here. I'll make it short and simple for you to copy it. We're going to go down straight to the function part so you can copy it. As a programmer, you should understand some of this stuff here. Okay, so here's your primary function right here, extract keywords. Okay, now from file, that is, extract keywords from file. So you want to copy this function right here. Alright, I'm sorry. You want to copy this function right here, extract keywords from file. There's actually two functions in this, though the two tutorials, basically says extract keywords from file. They have two functions that make this actually work. So you want to copy all this code here. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down so you can copy the rest. Alright, and then we'll go down to extract keywords. Okay, and that is the code there. And all you have to do is pause the video to type it out. Okay, save it as a PHP file, and then you'll have it. Okay, and in an earlier video I explained what keywords and stop words are. So keywords, I'll go into it, are used for search engines, and what they'll go is they'll go after the meta tags. It'll create a special, there's also special functions that will get keywords outside of the meta tags. Okay, and so this will get the keywords from a particular file, and the file name is right down here. It's called sample.txt. Okay, that's the file. Okay, and so, and you have the complete deal here, and then you have the print R function, which means arrays. Okay, so let's show you what that looks like. Well, actually, let me show you first the file that it's getting the information from. So this is the actual PHP file, and it's named sample.txt. If you look here, you can actually see it's named sample.txt. So it reads this out here. Okay, and this is the array output right here. And that's how it looks. And you can turn that array, when I'm talking about that array, all right, when you understand programming, I'm sure you do, you can use this array here and break it out into a for each statement. Okay, but that's another tutorial, another day maybe. But anyway, that is how you get the functions. There's two functions that we use here, and that's how you take and read a file with a function to extract what is important from the file. Okay, and I showed you the results will look like this right here. So this is David Cherry. Thank you for checking this out. Copy the function. You're going to love it. It will help you out a whole lot, and you'll definitely love it.